again on this Friday. Temperatures remain a bit all over the place. It's still 46 in Lima, but it's 36 as close as Ottawa and 50 down in Sydney. So we do have quite the temperature gradient across the area. Now, as we do go through the afternoon, the good news is that the very strong southerly wind is going to cause these temperatures to dramatically increase, and we expect to see highs today in the lower to maybe even middle 70s. Our satellite and radar does show that we have a mix of sun and clouds across the area, and this is what we're going to see for much of your day on Friday. But off to the west, we'll notice that there is this line of clouds, and these will eventually be a very strong line of thunderstorms. So if you do have any plans to travel west towards Indiana or Illinois today, they're expecting a pretty significant severe weather outbreak today with some tornadoes. So, keep that in the back of your mind if you're driving that way. But locally, no big deal at all, because that will come in the very late overnight hours tonight. Unfortunately, we do have our own problems that come our way, especially tomorrow afternoon. We'll show you this now on our Skycast. So as we go through the day today, by noon, temperatures up near 65, 66 degrees, and then we'll end up 71 to 74, 75 degrees for a high this afternoon, with a mix of sun and clouds and winds gusting up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight will be a mild night. Our lows are only going to be about 60 degrees, but then tomorrow morning, showers and thunderstorms move in, and they could be heavy at times and produce some gusty wind in the morning hours. Here's 9:30. But then after this, we do get a break, and that might allow the St. Patrick's Day parade to get in just fine tomorrow afternoon. The bigger problem will be the wind, which is going to be out of the south, but it's going to be gusting upwards of 50 to 55 miles an hour. So definitely something to be concerned about there. Now, as we go through the rest of the afternoon, though, watch what happens. We start to see more showers and thunderstorms break out, and this is where I'm a little bit more concerned about some severe weather. If there's discrete cells in particular, we could see some hail, some damaging winds, and maybe even an isolated tornado can't be ruled out. So we definitely want to keep that in mind. But the good news is that by Sunday morning, we'll just see the very last of the rain moving through the area, and then it will be finished for the foreseeable future. The extended forecast shows cooler weather for Sunday and Monday behind the front. We get more warmth on Tuesday before another cold front comes through Wednesday with showers. Then the first day of spring will be greeted with very cold temperatures and a chance of a wintry mix, and then it will stay chilly to end next week. Holly and